Hello, YouTube. Welcome to the first episode of Three the Hard Way. Um, Here's a 2019 Yamaha Raptor 700 Special Edition. My other two buddies, Shanthony Banks, rides a 2019 Can-Am Outlander 650. And my other shout out is to my homeboy Brian with a 2006 Yamaha Raptor 700 Special Edition also. More videos to follow. This is the initial one, just trying to get this thing started. Introduce a few new things to you all. One of my main things was the exhaust. I've seen a variety of different exhausts on the Yamaha Raptor. I decided to go with the Yoshi RS2 single exhaust, full exhaust that is, for my Raptor. As you see there, I went with the GYTR cold air intake with the PC5 DynoJet Power Commander tune. This joker hauls ass now. It was already fast, but it's even faster now. Almost having to relearn to ride this joker all over again. Okay, so without further ado, start it up real quick, let you hear how it sounds, and then we'll move from there. So as you see, we're ready to hit some trails, dirt roads. We're here located in Warner Robins, Georgia. If anybody's in the local area, surrounding areas, hit us up. We'd be glad to get together and ride, have a good time. Thank you. Have a great day.